that didn't go as planned. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Since our last video, which was actually live, suddenly things have picked up and are moving really well. Crafter's Box has struck a bunch of interest and we got a lot of people coming out looking at stuff, and we're going to have to get busy because we're selling a lot of wood out of it. Alright, so tonight, while Tim is up there at the box with customers, I'm going to be cutting up this maple. It's got a crotch in it. Take the wood from that, put it on the trailer, take it straight to the box. This maple has been down for, I think, about a year. Alright, so let's get here and see what we got. I'll bring you inside with me. How about that? Alrighty, we'll get some lights on in here. Got the fan going. This load of red oak right here is sold. And then we have these red oak slabs in here that have not sold, but we've sold quite a few pieces out of them. This all came from the stump dump. Free stuff. Good stuff. All we had to do is put a little effort into it and cut it up. Alright, so this is the maple we're going to deal with. This is a hard maple. It is a crotch. It is not the prettiest log on the outside. It's got several ugly knots in it. But you guys have seen it that have sawn with us before. These logs sometimes bring out the best character in the wood. Alright guys, we're going to get the blade tensioned. We're going to get the saw warmed up and we're going to start sawing. Hear that full barrel carburetor kick in? Alright, so let me take you through this process just a little bit. We have one dog holding this log. It's got the crotch at the other end. It's only 7 foot long, so it wouldn't be long enough to go between both these dogs. So what I did was I put a piece of wood down here against the log stop, against this crotch. All we got to do is get one flat spot on it, and then we'll roll it over. And it should sit all by itself. Alright, I'm going to open the window up, get a little air in here. Alright guys, let's get ready to rumble. Alright, you might not think something like this would sell, but if somebody's doing a European mount with a deer head, they're going to call us and can we come out and take a look, and they'll grab these. I can tell you that right now. See this grain right here? That's awesome. This may end up being used as a river table or something. It's got a crack down the center of it where that crotch is. Yeah, this is not good. Okay, move it down just a little bit. Let's get her cut up. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9 pieces, 4 foot or better. I don't know how much of this cracked. We will find out when we start scraping it. You hear those pieces of bark flying off of there, hitting the shroud? Right here. Bark doesn't appreciate being on there. Alright, so this is the crafter's box. We just got done putting the crotches in here. You see we have fans in here. They blow 24/7 to keep the air moving through the box, to keep the wood from molding, and to dry it out. Alright guys, thanks for coming along with us on this short journey. Join us on our next video, and we appreciate everybody that watches our videos. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, and until the next one guys, we will catch you later. Alright, thanks for coming along.